Well, it now gives me great pleasure to introduce Nimrod Lev, CEO and co-founder of Gyntools, a women's health technology company developing innovative, rapid point-of-care diagnostic tools for better women's health. Nimrod is a serial entrepreneur, founder, inventor, and leader. He has over 20 years' experience in technology implementation, extensive experience in management positions in startups and globally established companies. His expertise ranges from R&D, business strategy, product development, operations, investor relations, marketing, sales, and customer service. He is the inventor of more than 40 issued and pending patents. Nimrod, it's over to you to enlighten us how to match a clear unmet need to a technology that can benefit women in the area of vaginal health.
Good evening. Gyntools started over a family dinner. Professor Vaginal Lev, my younger sister, expressed frustration from current diagnostic level of vaginitis. After discussing the problem, we decided to take an action. And she said to her husband, Manny, and to me, do something that will change this situation. So we did. Vaginitis is an inflammation of the vagina, one of the most common female clinical disorders, and is the reason for 1/3 of all gynecology clinic visits. Most women will experience at least one episode of vaginitis during their lifetime, and some experience more than 4 episodes each year. Since vaginitis is a general diagnosis for multiple conditions, both infectious and non-infectious, it is hard to diagnose by a non-expert physician or laboratories. Almost half of the symptomatic women are misdiagnosed in first clinic visit and receive inappropriate treatment. When they get back to complain, and I refer to what Alison just said, some physicians will say, it is all in your head. Go seek for a shrink. So this mistreatment is leading to continuous patient suffering, loss of confidence in their physicians, consumption of wrong medications, repeated clinic visits, health complications, and huge redundant expenses to payers. For these reasons, we founded Gyntools, and together with our skilled, dedicated team, Zohar, Adrian, and Yardena, we developed a solution. And the solution is Genie. We're solving this problem with the first point-of-care diagnostic system that accurately diagnosed all major vaginitis conditions within minutes from a single swab. We developed a scanner and a dedicated sampler that, together with machine learning, cloud-based algorithm, gives an accurate diagnosis within minutes. Through a set of clinical trials, we shows the clinical and financial benefits of Genie, and you can get the impression how many clinical trials we've went through and how many we're about to do. We're now in preparations to another clinical trial with the IDF to solve huge problem with female soldiers and with the University Hospital of Geneva. And we're preparing also another trial in the United States to support our American go-to-market. So we have ISO certification, we hold CE mark, we are already working with Swiss distributor in order to start marketing and sales in Switzerland. We're working with Israeli HMOs to start sales later this year in Israel. And we will continue with trial with the IDF and in Switzerland and in the United States in order to gain FDA clearance and CLIA waiver during 2022. Our geographical targets are worldwide. Our goal is to provide better care for women while saving payers money. Our vision is to provide Gini as a better diagnostic tool, first to clinics in developed countries, then to pharmacies and walk-in clinics, then through the use of Gini Home, another patent we have, to patients in the convenience and discreet of their homes. In addition, we're working on a durable, cheaper solution for developing countries which cannot afford this expensive solution. We're very proud to be a part of a developing ecosystem. We are members in different groups. We are supported by the Israel Innovation Authority. We are taking part now in TIC4EVA, a Swiss accelerator, together with 29 other companies that are dedicated to women's wellness and health. We started a round of financing now, so if there are any investors in the crowd, I'll be happy to talk with you. And we're looking also for strategic partners. So thank you very much for listening. Feel free to write me and ask any question you may have. Thank you very much, Ronel and Michal, for having me this evening in this distinguished panel. And I'm really happy to be part of this group. So thanks a lot.
Thanks, Nimrod. We are very excited about the future of vaginal health and diagnostics, and we intend to follow you on your path to success and support you along the way. Thanks so much. Now over to Michal.